Hi, this is Daniel, and today I am going to be showing you how to save settings groups in the Supra-Touch. Let's go ahead and jump into the menu, and from here we will go to Settings. Now here we have our settings groups. So this is a way that we can quickly set up different groups of settings for different times. So say we want to have summer settings and winter settings, or we want to have a full barn versus when we're washing it out. We can very quickly save our settings and then switch between these different types of settings. So what this looks like, you can see here we've got group number 1, that's the active group, and here you can see it shows us zone 1 and 2, what the function is, whether we've got the different curves enabled. We can take a look at zones 3 and 4. Notice we can reset the defaults for just this group, or we could even reset to defaults for all groups if we wanted. You can see here we've got the different group 4, all 4 groups. Obviously groups 2, 3, and 4 are inactive. We could make them active. If we say yes, then it just does a quick restart, and then we'll load up that group's settings. So if I hop back in here, now group 2 is active. If we wanted to copy over, let's say group 2, we can copy group 2 settings and then paste them into there. So yeah, we're going to overwrite. Now group 3 is a copy of group 2. We could then go and change settings in group 2, or we could make group 3 active and then change settings in there to be, exactly what we want. If we want them to be similar but not exactly the same, you can use that copying and pasting to quickly set up the settings and then just alter them from there. Kind of like using the USB backup to switch over settings to a new unit and then altering them slightly. You can obviously rename these, so if you wanted, right, we can name it winter just to make sure that we know exactly what this group is. So definitely powerful functionality, definitely something that if you have different seasons or different distinct groups of settings that you would like to switch between, it can definitely save you a lot of time rather than manually switching between them. And then it can also give you consistency year to year or batch to batch, making sure that you're always switching to and from the same settings. So that is how you use the settings groups option in the Supra-Touch. I will see you guys in the next video.